Well, I'm just doing a box opening here, and I decided to order the My Passport Western Digital backup hard drive. I like these portable ones because you don't have to deal with the AC adapter, and it's nice and compact, and I'll just give you an idea of how I back up my stuff. Anyways, this is the box opening. If anybody wants to read the back. If my camera would just focus. Sorry about that. Okay. Doesn't say anything important. Well, time to open it. I picked up mine from Amazon.ca. Nice little way of opening it up. Isn't that pretty cool? Nothing else is in the box. Pretty nice. Look at that. Ooh, and it comes in a nice yellow cord. Though I hate these type of connections because they're made so delicate and thin and cheap. Well, it is a USB 3 connection. I wish they used the USB-C. The USB-C seems more reliable. Instruction manual. Of course, this one's a Canadian one, so it should also have French. You get the whole point. Comes well protected. My personal information. Product made in Malaysia. Interesting. And then there's the light. Now I have to take this out. There we go. And easy, portable, and ready to use. Now, I bought the, of course, the 4TB version. Here's my secret of how I like to back up stuff. Basically, I like to buy two different brand name hard drives, the same size, and then I do backup A, backup B, or backup A, backup B, and I copy the exact same information on one hard drive to the other. That way I'm guaranteed to not lose my stuff if one hard drive ever one day fails on me. That's what I do when I buy hard drives. I buy them in a set, same size, two different brand names. And it's not the first time I'm doing this either. So this is one I got just a few weeks before this one. And I was doing more research on hard drives. For my own personal research, I think also Hitachi may be a good brand name to check out. Maybe very super reliable. Maybe even more reliable than these two brands. I don't know though, but these two are, top notch. The main ones. So, if you do what I do, I'm pretty sure you'll never lose your data. And of course, you can store a lot more storage space without paying some online website to hold your stuff for a lot less space. And if you really want to protect your stuff forever, why don't you buy a safe and lock up your hard drives, backup A, backup B, if you want to copy me, to your safes. That's, to me, the best way for you to back up a lot of information, a lot of terabytes, and I like these colors. So these hard drives are going to hold my someone dear to me, their pictures, and then videos. And both will have the exact same information, backup A, backup B, backup B, backup A, and that's just how it's going to be. So that's my secret of how I back up all my stuff. I always make 2 copies, and I do things like that. It's cool how, with the Western Digital one, you get the same colored wire. Of course, these are both the same type. They're both USB 3.0. Doesn't matter to me too much. Well, it depends on how fast you need to copy information, right? Speed-wise, and hopefully your computer is compatible enough with it. One final thing I would like to show. Sorry, oh, my camera's doing so terrible here. Let me see. Give me one quick sec. This is exactly another example of how I back up other stuff as well. So I get the same size, two different brand names, and I back up A, backup A, backup B, and then label my stuff. That's just another example of how I back up stuff. And like I said, when you can buy also a safe to lock up your stuff in it, since these are also small and the hard drives are small, you know, lock up in a safe. Why not? Anyways, this review is, well, not review, you gotta excuse me here. This box opening is done. And that's how the yellow one looks. I wonder how it looks, what color the light is if you plug it in. Let's see if I can find out now. Now time to reveal my secrets. Here I go. I'm gonna plug this in and see what color is the light when you plug it in, if you're curious. And it's also probably yellow or just, well, it's white. It's white, it's showing me white. Anyways, let me go to my computer here. And did it show up? I'm trying to see if it did. There it goes. On this computer, it's the iDrive. And you get this software with it. So you can fool around with this stuff and get used to it. Of course, it has Spanish as well. Espanol, Italian, Dutch, Sicilian, Netherlands. A lot of different languages here. So we got a lot of languages to do this off of. If you want to see all of them, then I'll just quickly go through all of them quickly. English, French, Spanish, Dutch. And that's it. Anyways, when I check out the size of it, I'm not sure why it, oh, I thought disconnected quickly for a sec. Of course the computer uses up a certain amount of it, so with this one, you get 3.63 terabytes, and the computer uses up the other space. So this is my box opening. Glad to show you.